Good morning. My name is Tom Francis. I'm with Versa Garage Products, and today we're going to walk you through a Versa 3-coat full chip polyspartic floor installation, from the prep to the coating to the finished product. The equipment we use is behind me. We have full diamond grinders, pulse vac systems, and hand grinders to prep the floor. We have a little bit of patch repair to do today, so we're going to grind, then we're going to patch, and then we're going to coat. We do a full base coat in our 33 slow, because the temperatures today are going to be a little bit warmer and really humid. So we're going to use a 33, which is our second slowest polyspartic, and then we're going to move up to our 175, which is our slowest for the chip coat, and then we're going to move again back to the 33 slow for a nice top coat. So let's get started. Prep stage encompasses using our walk behind grinders on the main floor, our hand grinders on the frost walls or stem walls and the vertical surfaces, cleaning out the control joints, and then patch repairing. Let's go through the process. We mixed our pigment background color that we used on the cappuccino chip, which was tan, into our polyspartic 175. We used 175 today because it's 87 degrees, 60% humidity, so it gave us a little bit more working time. Another great feature to the Versa system, no matter if you use the standard, our fast, or any of our slow formulas, we have encompassed a debubbler, so you'll never get bubbles, whether it's first coat, second coat, or final coat. And it also has a self-leveler, so you won't see any roller marks. It's one of our key features to our Versa polyspartic mix. We start in one square, and we're going to frame that square in, and then we're going to fill it in, paying close attention and making sure the cutters cut the frost wall and the edges first. Then the chip person comes through with his bucket and he's going to do the stem walls first, and then he's going to work himself towards the roller. The roller is going to go from one square to the next, always making sure that he gets the pigment down the closest spot next to the square that has the chip. That way, when you're throwing the chip, you can overlap from one to the other, keeping a nice consistent view. We run all the chip about 3 times the amount of chip that stays on the floor, because when we finish, after it dries, then we scrape the floor in 2 different directions. Concrete's never flat, so you want to make sure you scrape in different ways. Get all the high ones down. Then you'll clean all that excess chip up from the scrape, and then blow out the garage, and you're ready to move forward on a final coat. On this final step, which is the final coat that encapsulates the chip, we use the same amount of chem on the final coat as we did on the first 2 coats combined. So we cut in, we applied the chemical, we spread it, and then we did a double back roll going east, west, north, south to give it a really nice even spread. We should have walk time in no more than 4 to 6 hours and drive time 24 hours. Again, I'm Tom Francis with Versa Garage Products. Today, we finished an 830 square foot floor. If you have any questions regarding our engineered system with our different formulas to do it the way you want to do it, we have an engineered system to provide that. Any other technical questions, feel free to give us a call at any time. Thanks again for watching, and good luck on your floors.